everybody, this is Seth. I just wanted to show a quick video demonstrating OpenSCAD, the 3D CAD modeling software for software developers or just people who code. This is probably my favorite CAD software. The main reason for that is that this software is text coding based, which is very easy for someone who's been developing for a bit to pick up. Put another way, I didn't have to learn how to use it really. But I have found that just like any programming language, you do need to learn more as you get more involved. But I digress. That's not what this video is about. This video is me showing you an example of what you can do in it. This is a mug that I designed, just barely. And I'll walk you through some of the code of how I put it together. You may notice that I have a completely different editor on the left. This is how I prefer to do it. There is a built-in editor for OpenSCAD. I just don't like it, and so what I do is I make it so that the editor is hidden, and then I make it so that every time I save, it automatically reloads the preview of the model. So these are some of the variables that I put together to describe the shape of this mug, which I really enjoy. You can reshape this mug really easily. I can make it 30 short, and it does a pretty decent job of maintaining the shape. You may notice that the circles aren't perfectly round. Essentially, the way that cylinders and circles work in this program is they default to about this level of detail. The more you increase it, the better resolution you get. Conversely, you can bring it down really low and get some really interesting effects. So if I bring it down to 4, it will only render 4 sides of the circle, of all of them. Some of your basic tools you get with OpenSCAD is you're essentially working with shapes. This mug is made from taking 2 cylinders and making one cylinder bigger and subtracting the smaller cylinder out of the middle. And the code for that is done here at the difference code. So what you're saying is take cylinder 1, subtract cylinder 2. Any parameter that you have is really optional in this language. Oops, I just moved badly. So like this detail parameter, for example, I delete it. Oh wait, I need to delete that as well. And it goes back to the default. The handle was made using different tools. First of all, the handle is just a 2D circle, and I did a rotate extrude, which takes which just extrudes the circle in a rotation fashion. Here I'm saying do it 180 degrees. The translate is how you set the radius, kind of how far the extrude is from the center. The radius here is for the circle. This is pretty much what I wanted to show off. Once you have your 3D model, you can do a couple other things, like actually render it and then export it as a STL or as a 3MF or whatever you want to export it as. And then you can use it for 3D printing. Actually, I think in the newest version, you can actually just send it off to be 3D printed right away if you have it all set up. I don't, so I won't be showing that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope OpenSCAD is cool for you. There's a cheat sheet.